In this video, I'll show you how to install the Brother 760 ink toner TN760 in your printer. So let's get started. First, let's open the package. You just need to slide your finger on each side of this door and pull it towards you. Then you're going to find a drawer. You just need to grab it where it's green and pull towards you. If there's already a cartridge inside of this drawer, you just need to press this lever on the left side to release it. Then you'll be able to take it away. Before putting the new toner, we need to remove this orange plastic protector. Simply unclip it. You can discard the orange part. And now it's time to insert it in the drawer. So to insert it, you just have to glide it. You see where it says Brother, this should face you. Simply need to put it in this drawer and then push this little handle until over here it clips. This is how you know that it's securely inserted. And before doing anything else, on the left side there's a small slider, let's call it this way. You'll need to take it and do this action, right to left, 3 times. This is just to clean the drum, so you won't have any stains, anything from the previous drum that has been removed. At the end, make sure that you see it clicks in place on the left side where you found it. Then we just have to insert this drawer by gliding it in the printer, and once it's inside, push where it's green towards the printer. Okay, great. Close this and you'll be good to go. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. If you want to get one from Amazon, I'll put a link in the description down below. See you in the next video.